Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. Today's subject is men's hairpieces or hair replacement systems. Hairpieces and wigs have been worn in an attempt to cover balding pates as part of a ceremonial ritual or in conformance with the prevailing fashion. Today, the industry uses the terms hair replacement system or hair solution. These changes in terminology are the result of new bonding technologies and continued improvements in the base designs of hair replacement products. The consultation. When discussing hair replacement with your client, you should be sure to take a very personal and private approach. The nature of hair loss is a very sensitive subject and should be discussed in private. Make sure you keep it professional when speaking with the client. You have three types of hair replacement systems. Human hair. The advantages of human hair include a more natural look and texture, durability, and the ability to tolerate chemical processes such as permanent waving and hair coloring. Synthetic hair. Synthetic hair is used in the production of full wigs and some hair solutions. It is challenging to make synthetic hair that matches the texture of human hair, which makes it difficult to blend the piece with the client's natural hair. Mixed hair. Mixed hair products such as human hair blended with synthetic or animal hair are often used in the manufacture of theatrical or fashion wigs. If you like this video, please make sure that you like and share it. You can find us on Facebook and TikTok at Howard Brown Online Barber College. You can visit our website at howardbrownonline.com. Remember that barbering starts in the book. We'll see you next time.